morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well. I figured I would show you the snow this morning. Yes, snow again. I woke up this morning, there is about 7 to 8 inches out there, and it's going to snow all day today. Oh joy. But I figured I would show you the snow this morning for our devotional. And today in our devotional, it says, God's wonderful creation. Psalm chapter 8, verses 3 and 4. When I look at your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have set in place, what is man that you are mindful of him, and the Son of Man that you care for him? Psalm chapter 146, verse 6. He is the maker of heaven and earth, the sea and everything in them. He remains faithful forever. Psalm chapter 104, verse 14. You cause the grass to grow for the livestock and plants for man to cultivate, that he may bring forth food from the earth. Colossians 1, verse 16. By him all things were created, in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or dominions or rulers or authorities, all things were created through him and for him. Psalms 24, verse 1. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. Psalm 95, verse 4. In his hands are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to him. And at the bottom it says, sometimes we get stuck on the finer details of the story of creation, while the goal has never been to give scientific answers, but rather to say who the Creator is and what his intent was with creation. Let's leave the consumer mentality that asked, what do I gain from creation? God created the universe with care so you can have a place to meet him, take care of it, and enjoy glorifying God along with creation. I say glorify God for what he has given us. All right, guys. That was our devotional for today, March 13th. We went from 64 degrees yesterday, quite warm, the kind of weather I like, to getting up this morning to a lot of snow. So I will probably spend my day shoveling. I love you guys, and you all have a great day. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.